Sometimes I wonder, can anybody live without AI in the upcoming time? Well, I don't think so. The AI race is getting insane day by day, and we're seeing growth among AI at rocket speed. Every time there's an AI tool which is so powerful that it has beaten previously most powerful AI tools. Competition is getting so tough. Different companies are launching their different AI models, and they are trying every way to make their model better and better. And in this era, if you don't know about different AI models, if you're not familiarizing yourself with the new models of AI, then you will miss out many things. Every day AI is replacing many tasks, AI is taking over many jobs, and if we don't learn how to use AI, then we are cooked. So in this video, we're going to discuss 3 most powerful and craziest AI tools that are changing the world. So without any fluff, let's get started. Our tool number 1 is most popular, Nano Banana. That sounds like a cute cartoon character, right? But don't get fooled. This childish sounding AI tool is quietly becoming one of the most powerful image editing AI models. And within just a few days of its launching, experts are calling it the top AI image editing tool. And honestly, they are not exaggerating it. Creators who have been working with Midjourney and Runway, they are all saying that nothing matches with Nano Banana's results. So what you can do, you can take your own picture and then you can literally completely transfer it into something new without changing even 1% of your natural look. For example, you take your random picture, you're sitting on a chair, and then with your simple sentence or prompt, Nano Banana can place Elon Musk in front of you, sitting opposite to you, as if you two were having a serious business conversation. And guess what? It looks real. It's dangerously real. Now I know I can't talk with Elon Musk, but there are so many public figures I can collaborate with without interacting with them. People are doing it like crazy, and they are flexing it on their Instagrams. They're standing in front of Burj Khalifa. They are posing outside Starbucks. They're flexing their travel shots. And all of it just by a single text prompt. You don't need to enter long and detailed prompts here. You can talk to this AI model like you talk to your friend. So just type like you talk and Nano Banana will give you exactly what you imagine. So whether you want to change your outfit or you want to wear accessories, and if you want to change your facial expressions like making yourself cry, making yourself smile, or shockingly surprised, this AI tool has got you covered. Its realism is so strong that editors are scared of it. The reason is this is not another AI tool in the market. It is a Photoshop level magic done in seconds and not in hours. And that's why so many jobs in editing and retouching areas are entering the danger zone. And not tomorrow, right now. Nano Banana comes from Google's Gemini family. The craziest part is its core features are free to use. If you want full power, you can go for Google One AI Premium, which is around $20. But even without that, the free version is unbeatable. It is multimodal, means you can edit through images, text, audio, and even video. It has a massive context window, so it understands your prompt deeply. And it also helps you in deep research, making it overall a superpower. The name Nano Banana might sound funny, but what it's doing to the world is not funny at all. It's revolutionary and dangerous. Now let's talk about our tool number 2, which is so powerful, and that is Seedream 4.5. Recently launched AI tool that is just crushing the competition right now. We can see that China just launched its own version of Nano Banana, and the outputs are not less than crazy. A company named ByteDance has launched this AI model, and yes, it is the same company who owns TikTok. Users on Twitter have been saying about it that it is like vintage style of Midjourney married the fidelity of Nano Banana. You can create and edit images in one go, and you can create up to 9 images in one go, and in 4K resolution. The image quality is so cinematic that it's kind of closer to Midjourney, while the editing capability is much closer to Nano Banana. You can generate consistent AI images from different angles. You can transfer the same image into different styles. And by uploading multiple image references, you can create one output. Means you can remix 4 different image references and create one output you want. It gives you higher quality, sharp, clear 4K images by default. There are also no restrictions yet on generating images with public figures and celebrities. So whether you want a handshake with Elon Musk or you want a picture with Taylor Swift, it has got you covered with some of the most realistic outputs. You can access Seedream 4.5 on official ByteDance website by going into incognito mode, where you'll get 10 credits, which are less than enough, right? So after using them, just simply cancel the incognito window and close the browser, and then open it again, and you will get your credits refreshed. Once again, you'll get 10 credits to use, and then again rinse and repeat the process to get credits again and again. There will surely be a watermark on the images, so you can remove it by using any watermark remover. So on the list of 3 most craziest AI tools, our last one is Google Veo 3. You must have heard about it. Google's VEO3 has been at its peak level of hype and is also in hype right now. It was literally competing with Sora 2 AI videos. It's one of the best products of Google, which also solves a big problem of content creators that they can't find the B-rolls according to their needs. So they had to use the same B-rolls available on the internet even after researching a lot. VEO3 is replacing this hours of searching stock footages, basic shoots and simple visual scenes. Whatever visual or scene you need for your video, whatever creative you can imagine in your head, you can convert it into a detailed text prompt through Gemini or GPT and then text into video clips by using VEO3. And those clips are so realistic that it's hard to believe that it's AI. The amazing thing about this AI tool is that it understands camera angles, slow camera movements and wide shots, overall cinematography. If you make B-rolls, it can be a money generator for you, because you don't need any camera, studio and photography skills anymore. Still, you can make amazing B-rolls that can make you money. You can write your ideas in Gemini and then you can convert it into video by VEO3. It becomes that simple and people are doing it. Another interesting thing about it is that it doesn't only create videos, but it also adds sound effects. So adds natural background noises of air, birds and breathing, just to name a few. For instance, look at this.
No, we're not made with prompts, we're all genuine.
Yeah, we're real people.
Is this real? I don't know, I really don't.
This is kind of funny, actually. It's so meta. This is very strange.
This is unbelievable, lad. I'm here standing among real crocodiles.
And amazingly, people used it to open the eyes of the dead character in a Bollywood movie that got viral and shook the fans and the director of the movie. And this type of things are getting common day by day. That's not a big deal anymore to do so. Another use case of this AI tool is commercial ads, which is again getting common. Brands don't need any influencers, studios, setup to promote their products. Big brands like Coca-Cola and Astrotalks have started using AI to make their commercial ads. Because AI tools are now capable of doing it. Marketing with AI is possible now. So yeah, these were the 3 most craziest AI tools, and there are so many other tools that are coming in the competition, making this a never-ending race of AI. If you don't want to be left behind in this era of AI, you need to update yourself with a new AI model. And the very last line that is also getting popular is that AI will not replace you, but the people using AI will. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.